Hello everybody, I'm Vitaly,
And my name is Tim.
and today we are introducing Hellobaby, an interactive baby album. Let's consider how do people keep precise moments of their babies nowadays. Every parent have a lot of baby impressions depicted in photos, videos, and some other ways. And they are not only media content. All parents have a lot of another impressions like first word, first toy of baby, and so on. And of course, today there are a lot of social networking and cloud services when they can keep these moments. But none of them was prepared specially for babies. And that's a problem that people are still forced to keep these precise moments everywhere, even on paper, really, because they don't have a convenient way to save these moments. So?
Yes, and we did it. We did Hellobaby. It's a special place where whole family members can add any baby content and just, for example, mother create an album. She add father, sister, and granny, and they have an opportunity to add photos, videos, audios, and funny notes. And of course, they can choose some keywords from the list and add it. And all this available for the people or for the kids until 0 till 5.
It's not working.
It's okay.
Let's consider how it looks. Here's your album. Here's your events, your timeline where you can navigate. Here you can add new content. Here are the notifications from Hellobaby or from external services. Here's your Pro status and some additional services. Let's take a look at how it looks on your desktop computer. And of course, it's a cross-platform service. Let's consider content pages. Here's a photo page. Second photo or sets of photos. Short video clips, not longer than 30 seconds. Short audio clips. And text tweets with funny notes about baby. And all this content can be shared, but only one item and each time. The whole album always stays private for family.
And the next important thing is key moments, because parents can add key moments from the list appropriate of the baby's child or of the baby's age. For instance, it can be first step or first toy, it can be first word or some other funny moments. So why we use the system of tag? We need it because we need to know exactly and each moment what it was. Was it first step or first toy? And why we need it?
To build beautiful interactive video stories. We need such accurate organization to build these stories. After some time, using of Hellobaby, we have enough content to combine it into beautiful video stories. Not a slideshow. Beautiful interactive video stories with illustrations, with coherent narrative, with some interactions, photos, videos, and so on. And these clips will be prepared at every birthday of baby, automatically.
So let's talk about services. Services is an additional opportunity to relying on baby's data. It's like measurements, marketplace, 1 second every day, and so on. A lot of different services. And every service will be adapted for each country where Hellobaby will launch.
And what about money? We don't expect to sell ourselves to Facebook or Google, and that's why we have a clear monetization strategy. There are two ways we will monetize. The first way is the Pro accounts. Pro user can upload more content, get more video clips, and take participation in special offers from our partners. The second way is the special projects with big FMCG brands. Every brand can be discreetly integrated into our service. We can build special place for every brand, and all these partnerships should be the long term.
A few words about our team. We have 2 founders, me and my colleague Vitaly. We have 3 developers, front-end, back-end, and mobile applications. And also we have 2 investors.
And I should tell a little bit more about one of investors because it's a strategical partner. It's an international, worldwide home agency, and it have executed more than 3,000 campaigns all over the world. And that's why we have a direct contacts of marketing departments of these brands. Also, after launch,
I'm afraid I have to stop you because the time is over. I'm sorry for that. So, judges, if you have any question, it's your time.
Good, good. So like on the business model, it would start off as a freemium product, and then if the user wants to add more pictures or photos or videos, then you would require payment. How much would the user have to pay? And how many users, I mean, I'm just trying to think of the...
The user will need to pay about €3 per month because we made a survey for 2,000 people, and it's normal price for them. And for 3 years per month, they can add more content, of course. But it's not unlimited content because we don't want to be storage for the whole content. We need to check only best photos, best videos, because it's your baby album.
Okay. Can I ask? So you're building a total new social network. You're not doing on top of any existing one, right?
We are a private system for whole family, but not so social.
Okay, but it's a total separate business. You're not building on top of any existing networks, existing service.
No, we don't use any
existing services. You're not an
services.
app, okay.
Yeah, we have only Facebook Connect, for example.
Facebook Connect just to authenticate the
just
user.
to register.
Okay. Have you tested with the users if they are thinking about creating new identity or using new service to do all these things like publishing pictures, videos on a new network instead of having apps that you can do that on Facebook and or somewhere that everyone is already there?
I understand your question. It's a private baby album, and you have a lot of photos that you can't show to your friends in Facebook. It's a funny moments for your family, for your baby, and it's closed for everyone. That's the main point.
Yeah, but with an app, also you can have private groups.
Yeah, but it's not for babies, right? I think that's the main change.
You mentioned that the offer is customized on a market base. So I mean, now you're just based in Russia. Which markets do you target and when?
We're just based in Russia, but the first market will be Russia. After that, we will move to European Union, to the USA, and all of this is in this year. And next year, we are going to China and Japan market.
But I mean, the strategy to go abroad is based on customize the needs of the clients. I mean, what is the rationale?
We customize only services. We have some partners, FMCG brands in Moscow, because we have advertising backgrounds, and we already make some pre-sale because the service is not yet launched. We will launch it in summer. And our main strategy is to launch it in Russia and in Europe in the same time. And we have only 3 services at start. It's like measurement service, and you don't need to make you don't need to change it to start it in Europe and in Russia, for example. It's services that works everywhere. Measurements, 1 second every day, and a few more services. Not a marketplace in the launch.
Thank you very much.